Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. As you can probably tell from the thumbnail, I got a ton of fan mail in August. So I've kind of been saving it up because I wanted to open it all up at once. So some of this stuff came early August, and I'm really sorry if you've been waiting to see me open what you sent me. So here it is. I'm just gonna open everything from August right now, and if I get anything throughout this September, I'll open it at the end of September as well. So a couple of these things I think I was expecting, but a lot of it I had no idea was coming. There's this letter, which is sealed with a Hogwarts stamp. So let's see what's inside. Oh, cool. Yeah, I got another nice Hogwarts card. I really like these that have like the gold Hogwarts logo on them. So here we go. On the inside, there are some photos in here. Dear Mr. Danny, thank you for all the beautiful printables. I used Snape for a picture wall on my birthday, along with the Quibbler. That's a really cool idea, which we raffled in a goblet of fake fire. We also raffled. Thank you so much. Sincerely, Norma. Well, Norma, thank you so much for the card. I really appreciate it, and I do like getting the photos that you sent along with it. It's a photo of her with Snape, and then we have the goblet of fire that she made. It's like there's fake fire in it, and I don't want to show these on camera. I don't know if she really wants them to be like visible to everybody, so that's why I'm just explaining what they are. It looks like a dog in wizard robes wearing a Hufflepuff tie, and it says, "This is Bobby. He is a Hufflepuff too." Bobby the dog is also a Hufflepuff. I like that. Okay, well, thanks so much, and really thank you for the photos. That really means a lot. Next, we have another letter. This one is from Alex. Inside the letter is a Dumbledore chocolate frog card. So here we go. Here's the letter. Dear Danny, aka Muggle Magic, I am 11 years old and you are the best. To me, you're the YouTuber king and Photoshop master. Whenever I'm sad, I just watch your videos. When I heard you were in Hufflepuff, I was happy because I'm in Hufflepuff. Thank you for being there when I need you. From Alex. He drew me the Deathly Hallows symbol here, and it looks like Muggle Magic on a chocolate frog card and a YouTube play button. Nice, and there's actually another drawing in here. This one's my favorite. This is me on a broom. I've never ridden a broom before, so this is the closest I'm gonna get. And I really love this. Thank you so much. Just taking the time and effort to like draw something like this and send me a letter. I don't know. It's really, really nice. It's a nice feeling that you care enough about what I'm doing to let me know in some way. And I didn't really think too many people would really care too much about my YouTube channel and the things that I make. So it's really great when people show me that they do. Okay, now I've got another package right here and I can feel it, and I'm pretty sure there's a wand in there. I'm also pretty sure there's a wand in here, and I don't want it to be like a battle of the wands. So I'm gonna open this one right now, and then I'll open a couple more, and then I'll open the other one. Just so I'm not opening them back to back. Ooh, cool. This one's wrapped in like, it's like paper, but it feels almost leathery, kind of. This is a pine 14.5-inch wand, and it typically chooses people with creative minds. So I think it chose right. Let's open this up and see what this wand looks like. See, I knew that I was getting a wand. Someone in the comments on one of my videos mentioned that they were sending me a wand, and I don't know if this is it or if that other one is it. So I'm just not sure. So here it is. This is nice and smooth. And at first I was thinking that this one was done with maybe a lathe. Maybe it was. But it also looks very like hand carved in some spots. So I really like that it's not 100% like perfectly symmetrical. I do like the handcrafted look, and that's what this wand has. And thank you so much for taking the time to actually like carve and sand down a wand for me. That's amazing that you would do this. I really, really do appreciate it, and this is going directly in my collection. And this was sent to me from Brazos, and I really did love the packaging with that too. The way you packaged it was really, really nice and creative. Next, I'll open this box, which was shipped Owl Post, and this one is from Shelly. I did know that she was going to send me something. I just have no idea what's inside of it, of course. So I've been very eager to open this up and see what's inside. As you can see, it was packed by elves. And please feed owl upon delivery. I hope they did that at the post office because I didn't actually get to interact with the owl. It's approved by the Ministry of Magic, so that's good. We've got our Owl Post stamps here. So let's open this box up and see what's inside. I wish I could open it without like breaking some of these stickers because I like them. I guess I could tear around this sticker. Oh, I think I saw like a claw in there. Wait a minute, I think I know what this is, and I think I'm excited if I'm right. It is a Bowtruckle. This thing is really cool. I have wanted to make one of these, or at least just have one of these ever since I saw it in the movie. What I thought was a claw was actually this hand here, which kind of still looks like an eagle's claw or something. But yeah, I love this thing. This is so cool. Thank you, Shelly. This is amazing, and I'm going to set it on my desk right back here. Okay, so Shelly says, "Dear Danny, this is nothing to what you have done for me. Thank you so much." You're welcome, and it really means a lot to me that you took the time to make that and ship it to me. I love it. Next, I'll be opening this, and this, I do know what this is. It's some prints as well as an original sketch. I think it's not like a copy. I think it's like the original artwork that he did. I think it's a pencil drawing, or I'm not quite sure what the medium is. It might have been paint, but I'm gonna find out. Anyways, his name's Dan. It's DanSketchArt. So I'm going to put a link in the description box to his, I think he has Instagram, or maybe it's Facebook. And if he has a website, it'll be down there too. I'll get in contact with him and make sure. Yes, okay, so this answers it. There is Facebook, Instagram, and Etsy. Danny, in this package, you will find a traditional painting drawn and painted by myself. So it is a painting. In the Walgreens envelope, you'll find 4 prints that I have left of my Harry Potter painting that I can give away. So I'll be giving away some of this artwork on my channel too. Actually, I'll probably do that for this video. I really appreciate your work and videos. Thank you, as your videos helped make my classroom look more interesting. A fan, Dan. So here's the original painting, and it's really good. I think it looks like it was done with watercolor and maybe some ink in there. If not, he does some really nice fine lines just with a paintbrush. I am not very good at painting. I've tried, and it just, I'm better with just, a pencil. So really, that's really an amazing job that you did here. So thank you very much for giving this to me. I'm going to frame this. So these are all prints of the original. So I've got the original here, and we have, it looks like 4 prints here. These are all signed by Dan and also numbered. So we have numbers 7, 8, 9, and 10. And if you're interested in winning one of these, you can enter the giveaway in the description box below. Now it's time to open the other wand. So let's see. Looks like there is also a letter in here. And the envelope is stained with, I think, tea or coffee. Oh, that wax stamp just came right off. Okay, so this is from Camden, and he owns his own Etsy shop where he makes handmade wands like this one. So I'll be linking that in the description box. And this is just about my wand. It's it's got a lot of info here, so I'll just read that it is inflexible. It's 15 inches, and it has a dragon heartstring core. Let's take a look at the wand itself. And this is from Haines Wand Shop. Ooh. So here is the handmade wand. I really like that it has these like magical runes carved into it here. All right, thank you so much. And now I have another one for my collection. I'm gonna have to get some type of wand display to show these off. And now I've got just this one last box left. So the first thing in here is a drawing of me. It's a good likeness. Next, I have a letter from Hogwarts. Nice, I like the handwritten font and the burns on this letter. And this is from William. Thank you, William, for the letter. I've just read it. I didn't know if you wanted me to read anything on camera, so okay. It looks like they're labeled, so this one's a wand. It's very delicate, very interesting. Interesting design. And this one says it's a diary, a pen, and a keychain. And it's Tom Riddle's diary here. Inside that, we have a Deathly Hallows pin and a really neat Harry Potter keychain. And next, there is a chalkboard. So it has a Deathly Hallows symbol on it. It came with some chalk and it says, I'm a chalkboard. Very cool stuff, William. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that you took so much time to make all these things and send them to me. He also drew Horace Slughorn's hourglass here. Yeah, I mean, just to everybody who sent me this stuff, there was so much here and oh my God, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of it, but I love it all. So I'm gonna keep it. And I really, really do appreciate that you sent me this stuff. You took the time out of your day to do this, and it really shows how much you guys really do care about the things that I share with you. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.